How are ya?
Good, man. Good. Nice bike, man. Follow out.
Thank you. This is the weekender.
The real one.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
it.
man. How you going?
Good.
What's going on, man?
Not much, man. How are you?
Yeah, good.
That's good. You know what I've been craving? Riding buddies and meaningful connections. Yo, what is up, guys? In one of my previous videos, I talked about taking friends and turning them into riders. Today we're going to be flipping the script and talking about taking pre-existing riders and turning them into your friends, which I must say is a lot easier than the former. So on this ride, we've got Ray, who I met through motorcycles. He's joining us today, and the other gent is Justin, who happened to walk past just after that homeless dude tipped my bike over in the city. He made me feel so much better. Just the fact that I could vent to someone who owned a motorcycle and he understood the pain that I was going through in that moment. And I was extremely grateful for that. And I think that right there was the silver lining of that entire situation. It just reminded me of how awesome the motorcycle community is here in Melbourne. Maybe I've just gotten extremely lucky, or maybe it's factual that motorcyclists are just a different breed. Every time I've bought a bike, every time I've sold a bike, every time I've interacted with new people, whether it be specifically at a bike meet or just out on the street at random like it was with Justin, I've had nothing but immensely positive experiences. I'm not gonna lie, it is a part of motorcycling that I did not expect. It was a part of motorcycling that I was very pleasantly surprised by, and it is now part of my motorcycling journey that I treasure greatly. The other gentleman who was meant to join us today, I also met him on the streets of Melbourne. I parked up, he parked up next to me as he was heading to his work, and he basically just said, "Nice bike." And that's how it starts, with men complimenting each other's hogs. Hehe, I'm just being cheeky. But that's genuinely what it's like, right? We were just two complete strangers who happened to form a small connection based on a shared interest that we had. It would be pretty sus if you took motorcycles out of the equation, right? Like, I'm just meeting random people off the streets and then going to go get coffee with them without really knowing them at all. It's kind of doing the opposite of what your parents teach you when you're a kid. Don't talk to strangers. We're part of this insanely awesome community that allows us to connect and bond with each other with such ease. It's genuinely not this easy with some other hobbies of mine. Motorcyclists are a whole different breed, and rides like this are a testament to that. On its own, a bike does mean a lot to me. It's more than just a material object because it has symbolic value, but part of what it represents are the connections that I make through it. And those connections, they mean a lot. I mean, it's often through connections that us humans find fulfillment and satisfaction. I don't know, that's the case for me anyway, and I'm pretty confident that's the case for many people out there. Material items can only get you so far in terms of your own happiness. And that's why this year I've made it a genuine goal of mine to form meaningful, deeper connections with people and to strengthen the friendships that I already have. I never had to do that. You know, you go through high school, you go through uni, you're kind of forced together with a bunch of people and you guys become friends by default. Hey, brother. I did the fellas a bit dirty there. I think they're going to be stuck behind some cars, but it's got to be done. It's got to be done. That is a corner where you just have to downshift and absolutely send it. The speed limit's high, there's an overtaking lane. You just gotta. Oh my gosh, look at that. The weather has turned in our favor. How good. I love this. Man, I love this. I love the people, I love the bikes, I love the ride. Happy! And that's on motorcycles. But as I was saying, it was such a strange concept to me because I only started full-time work recently, and that's when it dawned on me how easy we kind of had it in high school and in uni. Now you have to actually try and make friends. It's so weird. Jesus, everyone's out and about today. Nice to see, but not so nice to ride in. Oh Jesus, this bike sounds good. Whew. Listen to that. There is nothing I love more than a buttery smooth inline 4. Oh, there are no cars in front of me, but it's very damp out here. So let's reel it in, Gutter Ash. Man, I said reel it in. God damn. God, I need a track day so bad, don't I? I really do. Alright, gotta be careful of these wet leaves.
That traffic just appeared. I was like,
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah, so you guys get pretty close to the way up.
I had to run off on myself the road. I'm gonna dink you in the video.
Alright, well thanks so much for the ride, guys. It was awesome seeing you. So good, glad you came out, man.
Yeah, no, thanks for the invite. It was awesome.
Alright man, ride safe and I'll catch you around. Oh my god, what a success. I had so much fun. I feel like I've made a new friend in Justin and strengthened my existing friendship with Ray. I hope it's not weird me saying that if you guys are actually watching this. No, I've had an awesome time. How good. Man, that's cool. I do like those. I want dirt so bad. But yeah, it's just, I always leave this place feeling so fulfilled and satisfied, especially when I'm here with other people. This is motorcycling, guys. It's an incredible thing on its own, and to then share it with other people who are just as into it as you are, it adds this dimension that I had no clue existed before I got into biking. I've got a full stomach, a happy heart, and I'm on 2 wheels again. Life's good. You know, there are some people who gain absolutely nothing from the social side of things, and that's fine too, but I'm just here to say that as someone who does gain satisfaction out of these things, it's there if you want it. This community is awesome and I feel extremely privileged to be part of it. And you know what? I'm talking about you guys too. Not just the motorcyclists, not just the people that I've met, but the people who are watching my videos, commenting on them, engaging with them. All of you contribute to just how great this community is. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you